Hello, hi, and welcome to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes. And today we will be seeing how to prepare Kajjuphala patholi. Kajjuphala is nothing but ripe cashew fruit. This is a sweet dish. So Kajjuphala patholi is a sweet dish prepared out of ripe fruit of the cashew, and the preparation is similar to that of the Ponsa patholi, and we usually use banana leaves for preparing it, and this is a steam cooked dish, and since it is steam cooked, it is healthy as well. Coming to the ingredients, you need 4 to 5 ripe fruits of cashew without the nut, half cup rice, half cup grated coconut, 5 to 6 cardamom or elaichi, half cup grated jaggery, a pinch of salt and water as required. Soak the rice for 5 to 6 hours. Wash and wipe the banana leaves and keep aside. Since we are using banana leaves for preparation of the dish, we have to wash and keep the banana leaves aside earlier itself, so that some water which is sticking to the banana leaves will get drained off. First to a coarse powder and keep aside. So since the ripe cashew fruits are used and they are having more water content, it is better not to add water to the rice while grinding. Cut the cashew fruit into cubes. Next, grind cashew fruit, coconut scrapings, jaggery, cardamom powder and a pinch of salt. Now mix the rice powder to this cashew fruit jaggery mix and mix well. Make a batter of thick consistency. Now spread the batter end to end onto the banana leaf. Spread it in such a way that you do not break the midrib of the leaf when you fold it. Before spreading the batter, apply ghee to your fingers, or else you can use even coconut oil. This will give more aroma and flavor to the dish. Ghee is more suitable because it is more aromatic than the coconut oil. Heat a steamer or an idli maker with water. Once the water starts boiling, reduce the flame. Arrange the prepared patholis, and on top of the perforated plate inside the steamer. Close the lid of the steamer and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Once done, open the lid of the steamer and then switch off the flame, and your patholi is ready to be served. Serve the patholi warm at room temperature Thank you for watching my channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. In this channel, I will be telling you how to prepare Kerala GSB Konkani dishes, usually with more, and I will be sharing most of my recipes whichever I know. Thank you for watching.